Hey and welcome to a new video tutorial by Crocfix. We have here a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus mobile phone and it's locked with an draw unlock pattern. So the screen lock is unknown. I have forgotten it and I don't know what to do. So it asks me to try again in 30 seconds and then again it will ask me to try again in a couple of minutes and then hours and then so on. So if you have forgotten your password, your PIN number to unlock the screen or to draw the pattern, there is a basic workaround which you can follow and try to unlock the phone. So we will do this now. We will remove this screen lock, but keep in mind after we do this factory reset, you will have to know your Google account, so your Gmail and your password. Otherwise, you will need to search for S22 Plus FRP unlock. So yes, after this reset, you will have to enter your Gmail account. But yeah, let's go and let's try to unlock the phone now. Keep in mind that all data on the phone will be lost and removed. So basically the phone will be like it's brand new. So to follow the steps now to do a factory reset, what do we need is an USB-C cable connected to your PC, your laptop, your MacBook or whatever device. It won't work if you plug it into a wall charger. It works only if you plug the other end on a computer or any other electronic device except a charger. You can also use USB-C cable to USB-C and connect to another phone, but something must be plugged in here. So please don't write comments, do I have to use the USB-C cable? As I am saying, yes, you need the USB-C cable. So put the cable in. Once you have put the cable in, then you need to do following. So you just press all three buttons first here, volume up, volume down and the power button, and hold these three buttons until the phone restarts. And when the phone will restart, you will release the volume down button, but keep holding the other two buttons. So you keep holding volume up and the power button. You keep holding these two buttons until you come into the recovery menu. Then you can unplug the cable and then you have following options. You will need to go down where you see Vibe Data Factory Reset. You move through the menu with the volume buttons here, and when you are on the Vibe Data Factory Reset, you confirm with the power button. And then again it will ask you, are you really sure that you want to factory reset? You go down and click yes, I am sure I want to factory reset and confirm. Now you wait until it's done and then you go on reboot system now and confirm with the power button. So this will factory reset or hard reset the phone and it will make it like it's brand new. If you had your Google account previously in this phone, you will need to re-enter it because it will give you the second option now once while you're activating the phone that you can use your Google account instead of the unlock PIN or the unlock driving pattern. So once again, this should work also with other Samsung models like the normal S22, the S22 Ultra and any other Samsung phones. So as you see, we already came into the menu, so just keep the on-screen instructions. Just click whichever language do you want and proceed with the activation. So let me know in the comments how well did it work for you, if you have any questions or if you just want to say thank you.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.